Hi, I greet this day with a love in my heart. Welcome to Indian Stop Mind Dynamics. Today the tip of the day is AOA technique, Art of Achievement. Today the subtitle is Excel. Before that, today being 26th March 2019, as you all know, the wonderful days have been gifted to us once again by the nature. Now, it's all up to us to make use of the day in a better way and a meaningful way. Well, the same day, 26th March in 1942, our Prime Minister Indira Gandhi wedlock took place with Feroz Gandhi. The same day, 26th March in 1997, during our Halli to Delhi, our Sriman Deva Gowda regime, Russia come into contact in the sense agreement with us to help us in particularly what we call integrated, state of the art integrated air defense system. Also, this day, 26th March, is considered to be Solitude Day. Okay, let's observe it. Now, coming to my topic, Excel. The Excel is a very much ingredient for an art of achievement in anything in life. It could be exam, it could be a work, promotion, wedlock, whatever it is. And that's a very key component for our life. Excel in meaning surpassing one or imposing supremo and doing something extremely good. That means it's not a negative. You are thriving to put your effort to excel in all the field, whatever you are. If I am a musician, I want to excel in musician along with the orchestrated people around me. If I am a sportsman, I have to excel. I am a memory trainer and giving the concept to the world. The subject is very vivid and vast, which has to be told in a very lucid manner to children, from school student to the scholars. That's what I am into. I am excelling in this field. Similarly, whoever you are a parents, excel in that. You are a student, excel in that. You are a children, excel in your field. To be excelled in your field, you require discipline. And you have to be disciple of your thought forms. Your thought forms is a guru. Govern that. See that what it dictates. If you're taught in a purity form, you will excel in anything. I recapitulate one story now. There was a Zen master. He had confronted one of his earlier students who came and asked his blessing, and he also asked one question. Master, though I have trained by you, though I have taken all your blessings, I have a small doubt in my mind, it's lingering, that I am incomplete. What could be the reason? Then he said, you come with me. He took him to nearby pond. The pond has got some water, and he asked him to see his reflection. He has seen his reflection. Yes, he could see the reflection, but it is not a clear reflection. It was done because the water is little dirty. And he taken a stick and stir it. Now he said, can you see your reflection? He said, no, it is distorted. Then he said, come, I'll take you to the river. And asked you to take the water and see, is it clear water? The disciple said, yes, master, it's very clear. Okay, can you able to see your reflection? No, master. Why? Because though water is clear, it is in the form of running. So the reflection cannot be seen. Here the pond water is still, but it's dirty, so the reflection is not clear. Whereas here, water is pure and clean, but since it's running, reflection cannot be seen. And finally, the master took him to the well. See the well? Can you able to see the reflection? Yes, master, I can see my reflection very clearly. Then master told, do you know what is that you could infer out of this? If your mind is still, if you practice stillness, you could see a reflection of thoughts, not your image, reflection of thought. That thought can take you and give you excel in any field. For that, you need to understand the meditated mode to sit and still your mind at least for half an hour a day. If you could do that, definitely your mind will become calm and serene, that is stillness takes place, and you get all the clarity of thought. Whatever you wanted to do, whatever you were doing, whether it's right or wrong, or what best you could do for your future. And when the stillness took place, what happens? It is not yourself. You become selfless, unselfish, and you can attain the purity, whatever you call it as in the Vedic text moksha. That is the one which we need. We call it the peace of mind. Where it is available, it is within you. That's what it says here. So, today the message is, in order to still your mind, you should think first self. Selfish thought, what I want to do. Then unselfishness. Thought should be there. The third is selfless thought. If you could reach to the selfless thought, yes, the mind is come to still, and it gives a clarity of thought to you in a very better manner, and you will know the soul search, what is the purpose of being here, what is that you can give it to this world. All that clarity of thought will come to you. It is not available in any form of text or Vedic text or any biblical word to understand. You need to find, unearth this holiness, the goodliness from you from today. Last but not the least, excellent is a continuous process. It is not an accident. Said beautifully by our Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you later. May you all be blessed.